Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to rotate a picture in Photos app on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your photos. Then once you're here, go pick a picture that you want to edit. So I'm going to edit this one. Just tap on the edit button at the top right beside the three dot icon right there. So this will pop up. Then once you're here, you just need to go to crop. To be seen here at the bottom on the right side, and here you could now edit it right here. So let's see, if I go here, as you can see, you could edit that position. You could also go with the vertical, and here you could also go with the horizontal panning right there. And to just, if you want to just rotate it normally, you just need to click here at the left, or at the top left, on a square icon right there at the top left. So if you click on it, you can now rotate it. You could also reverse the image by clicking on the triangle icon right there at the top. As you can see, it is now being inverted. If I want to rotate it while inverted, you could also do that. And once you're done editing, just click on done right here at the top right, and you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.